So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the dispersion tool here on PicsArt. So first thing you got to do is open up PicsArt, insert a photo. So for me, I just grabbed this stock photo right here of a beach, then go to the bottom left and press on where it says tools. Then here at the top bar, there's 4 different options. It says crop, free crop, shape crop, and dispersion. What you want to do is go ahead to where it says dispersion and press on that. So sort of in the top right, press on dispersion. Now what this does is if you want to select an area, so let's just say I wanted to select the water, for example, right here, the ocean. What you can do is you can go ahead and just circle all the stuff that you want. If you want to make it a little bit smaller, the brush size, you can do that as well. So let's just say that's done. Then what you can do as well is just go to the top right and press on the arrow. Then what you can do is it actually disperses the photo right here. So what you can either do is you can stretch it more, stretch it little, whatever you really want to do that way. So if you want to stretch it all the way this way, you can. Once that is done, you can go ahead and press on fade as well. You can fade it more if you want as well to make it more prevalent, less prevalent, whatever the case is. You can change the size, making it larger, smaller. Once that's done, just go to the top right. Let's say you want to blend it as well. You can go press on blend, and then you can multiply it, color burn it, whatever you want, and just play around with it that way. So once that is done, just go to the top right, press on apply, and there you go. That's how you guys can use the dispersion tool here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.